Do I have stuff in my beard?
Just white hairs.
What's happening, guys? Welcome to day 7. And it's been a massive transformation of this garage so far. It's been a fun journey. We've definitely come a long way. Today, basically, we're gonna go in there. I'm gonna show you guys around, give you guys an update on where we're at right now with this home garage gym. We've got a stack of equipment that's come in, that we've built, that we've put together. We've also got a whole bunch of small accessories that have come in, that we've unboxed and that we've set up. And, I'm excited to show you guys. I really hope you guys have been enjoying the transformation so far. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the little ding dong notification bell to make sure you're notified every time one of my videos comes up. I upload content on a regular basis, so make sure you're part of the notification squad. Beauty with the booty. Wow, look at this.
Baby, that's how we do it. Follow me, tell me if you feel me. I think niggas is trying to kill me. Picturing pistols, spitting hollow points till they drill me. Keeping it real, and even if I do conceal my criminal thoughts, update what's new. Sitting in court, turn snitches, they used to be real, but now they petrified bitches. I'm trying to be strong. They sending armies out to bomb me, listening wrong. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm. I'm trapped in the storm, and fuck the world till I'm gone. Bitches be born, word is gone, you get torn. I'm busting on Giuliani, rubbing my niggas wrong.
Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you see that's different here. Leave a comment in the comment section.
Watch me set it. Niggas don't want it. You can get it, bet it. Make
your
me
chance
jealous.
to win.
Niggas mad I said it. This thug like nigga.
Show me how to do it. I did a try running for you to trolley.
Oh, what do you got there? Trolleys?
You're going to get that trolley here. Right.
Oh, you want to get the trolley on?
Yeah. He was running a massage thing from his bloody house. Right, okay. Now, watch out the hands. Right, that's it. Oh, watch out your feet. Here we go.
Judy.
You alright?
I think I pulled a muscle. You better get all this off, man. It's Christmas time.
Word is gone, you get torn. I'm busting on Giuliani, rubbing my niggas wrong. And then it's on. Before I leave, picture me. I'm spitting that bump. Bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Niggas don't want it. You can get it, bet it. Make these jealous niggas mad.
What's happening, guys? So this is what we've taken delivery of today. Basically got a bunch of things I'm going to go over with you real quickly. Just a little bit of background context about this gym. So the reason why we built this gym was obviously Christian is a personal trainer. So not only is this going to be used for his own training environment or facility for himself, but he's also going to be utilizing this gym space to train clients in private one-on-one kind of sessions. So it makes sense for him to build a gym, and he's utilized his quarantine time to build this home gym, thinking about the future and training future clients within this gym. So this means that he had to get an array of things to keep his workouts for his clients interesting and different and challenging, Obviously himself, he just uses the bare basics as a bodybuilder. However, he's got an array of things that we're going to go through real quickly right now that he's got for his gym. Starting off with the medicine balls. So he's got a stack of medicine balls. Man, these things are 10 kilos. So we've got a 10, a 6, an 8, and a little 2 kilo. And obviously functional training for his clients is important as well. So he's gone with these kettlebells, nice matte black finish. These look really, really, really sleek. He's got an array of sizes for these, and he's got them in pairs. So we've got 16s, we've got 8s. Oh, CrossFit King. And we've got some little baby ones here. We've got some little 4 kilos. I'm pretty sure my phone weighs heavier than that. And then we've got these hex dumbbells that came in. These were on back order, so that's why they came in separate. We've got some 22.5 kilo dumbbells in the hex, which means in this gym, we have now from 1 kilo dumbbells up to 10 kilos, and then up in increments of 2.5 right up to the big 50s that we've got here. So ignore this mess. We now have a complete selection of dumbbell sizes from 1 through to 50. So definitely fully equipped here. What's happening, guys? Excuse me, I'm just having some scones. Late in the afternoon, and we just took delivery of a brand new, check it out. Oh, you know what that is? Squat rack, squat rack. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Squat rack, squat rack.
Bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man I give you no break. Not even your eyes you now give you no breaks. Well, hey, bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Little bushkas.
Look at this squat rack we've got happening. Finished, complete. Putting on the attachments now. So we've got the red stopper arms, whatever you want to call them. But this thing's not bad for the price. I was pleasantly surprised with the quality of this bad boy. We've got a pull-up bar there.
Christian's having trouble putting that on.
Christian's having difficulty baptizing it.
Hell, man.
You went the wrong way, man. I reckon you should go from the front, which is over here.
No, that's the other way around. That's why you can't get it.
Christian doesn't know how to put it in. Have you done this before, mate?
Yeah, last night. Come on, man.
So this is why I built most of the stuff in this gym, because Christian... Yay! Like a glove after fucking 27 attempts.
Glove.
I did the other one, another side.
Baptize the squat rack, baby. Nice. How does it feel?
Good.
No, get the shirt off, man. Show the full physique.
I just ate. I'm fat.
Fucking this guy, I'm fat.
Where?
Fuck, he's got to get a little bloody step up.
Yeah, man. It's too high for me, man. Oh, you go to the top.
Your head's not going to go through the roof?
No.
Your back looks a bit fat, bro.
Let's try it.
Not bad, good size.
Do
Oh, my back.
do firing.
Alright, go, 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 go.
And you see the back firing.
Oh, I'm supposed to be training chest today.
Nice.
All right.
Alright, can I train now?
Yeah, let's train. I need to pee and I want to hit the weights. Are you ready? Are you ready? Is it recording?
Go.
Go. Okay, guys, we've got some new stuff in today. I feel like this last kind of few episodes kind of blurred into just the culmination of us opening stuff, which is half the fun of building a gym because you get stuff delivered and you're going to open it up. So today, check this out. We've got these big long contraptions and they're heavy, which means they can either be one or two things. New barbell or a big dildo for Christian's collection. His collection's big enough, so I'm pretty sure that these are barbells. We've also got some, check these out. Come in close and check this out because you need to read this. We ordered black, but they sent us the bulk rubber plates. So we might have to send them back because I think that's the wrong color. We didn't order the bulk, we ordered the black. So I guess, are we going to crack these open? Is that what we're going to do today? So Christian's all right with us opening this? All right, cool. Let's have a look at this barbell rack at the moment. We've got the E to Z bar, this little baby bar for dwarfs, I believe. The pink one for females. We've got this big 20 kilo thick grip one. And we've also got the rest of the space to hold fruit, such as bananas, like so. However, we're going to take bananas off today because we're going to open these bad boys up. Firstly, you're going to open this has already been open, I think. Crack this bad boy open. Oh, gee, tell you what, heavy. Slide it out once. Ooh, look at that. I think it's another one. I feel like it's another one of those. Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Do the honors.
The honors. Dun, 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 dun. It's wedding music. Oh no, so this is 20 kilo. I don't know how thick this is. I thought it was the same as this. However, this has got the knurling in the middle. So this is better for squats because it'll kind of grip you a little
It's
bit
not
better.
as thick.
PG. Oh, here we go. Oh. Another one. So we've got another one that looks identical to the one that we just put on there. Look at that. Oh no, this one's... Is it the same? So this is a 5 kilo, two-piece feed of the belt rubber. Oh, these are bumper. So we've got more of these bumper plates that we've already had. These are cool. These are cool because they come in. The good thing about these is they all come in the same size. However, when you go to put them on, you can't put it on this tree because they all overlap over each other. But what I just noticed, what we do and what we have taken delivery of is these plates here. These rubber coated steel plates. So these are cool because they actually fit on this. Nice, look at that. We've got some 2.5s, 10s and 20s, 5s and 15s. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, we're gonna open all this stuff up off camera.
All right, let's train.
See you later.
Hadouken!